Welcome to the Ice Age excavation site. The team has finally cleared the entrance passage. Look at that fire. The Dune is harsh out here, but they seem right at home.
Oh, the air in here is absolutely freezing. But look at this fire.
The Pleistocene palette required a viscous barrier against the elements.
They used their hands to capture their presence.
The aerodynamic curve of these mammoth bones offers incredible wind resistance. A genius design for withstanding the hottest Ice Age storms. The ancient healers knew that the bark held the power to ease the pain. Watch how they strike the flint. Navigating these depths requires a courage I can barely comprehend. In this frozen labyrinth, the wind is our only guide. This heat is driven by subglacial volcanic activity. We finally found their hunting ground. To ambush the giants, they first masked their scent using this dark earth. Oh my God, it's real. He's actually painting a bison. This is the hardest part. You need constant pressure and speed or the Ember dies. This is thousands of years old. These geothermal pockets are the beating heart of the subglacial ecosystem, sustaining life where none should exist. Notice how she bone needle and sinew thread to create these incredibly durable seams. These crevasses form from immense glacial pressure, creating unstable ice sheets that even Neanderthals navigated with extreme caution. To cross safely, we use weighted tools distributing the ice thickness. This shaft acts as a vital weight mindrant so I don't fall in. The hydrocarbons here are incredibly effective at preserving organic material. This natural trap functioned as an ancient preservation site. By tracking the slow drift of the stars, our ancestors mastered the art of stellar navigation, guiding their pathfinding across frozen continents. Salt wasn't just for flavor. It was vital for preserving meat over the long winter and keeping our cells healthy. Ancient geothermal valleys provided lush, rich foraging sites even in freezing winters. This wild winter root is unearthed from the volcanic enriched soil. Deep botanical knowledge helped the clan survive seasonal migration. Tribal scouts utilized the natural acoustics of these deep limestone chambers for long-distance signaling. Networks arriving here from the Mediterranean. In the Paleolithic era, our ancestors mastered organic chemistry to create from vibrant dyes from plants and minerals. Welcome to acoustic archaeology. Early humans discovered the pentatonic scale simply by examining bird bone structures. How Hush Agachi, the birch tree, bark was processed into a powerful waterproofed tar adhesive. Observe the massive span of these antlers, a prime example of evolutionary adaptation for survival in the Pleistocene. Combining sinew with pine tar created water-resistant fort, high-tensile cords for bowstrings. Tracking the seasons was critical for our survival. These stones These sharp edges were the first Alley's technology. Notice this sedimentary cleavage? The ancients knew exactly how to work this rock. Flat slat like this made for excellent cooking plates over an open fire. The sheer force of these ancient glacial lake outbursts carved this valley in seconds. We are standing right in the middle of an ancient graveyard where these giants fell. The ancient sky, it speaks to us. By twisting these high tensile fibers, we generate the necessary strength for cordage. The base to height ratio is precisely calculated to maximize the gravitational shear force against the megafauna. Without clay, early humans mastered thermodynamics by heating stones in fires and dropping them into water to boil liquids.
Don't make a sound.
The microfractures in this ice crust are the key to calculating the herd's passage.